BJP wants to take its campaign onto the streets as well across India. A poster rally is being organized backing the Waqf bill in national capital Delhi. So not just on the floor of the house in the parliament, they want to go to the streets, to the people. There is a poster rally being organized in central Delhi for the Waqf amendment bill. So in many ways, remember, a campaign in the parliament and then at the parliament street as well. One of the big names that has come in the past few hours has been Chandrababu Naidu. Chandrababu Naidu's late night bill brainstorming has happened, remember, and we'll also play out that visual soon. There had been an event recently of the Eid where he appeared to have given out statement that appeared that he may not back the Waqf bill or had cautionary messages on it. But now the TDP is backing it. I want to immediately bring in my colleague Apurva Jayachandran on this. Sources are telling us TDP seeking state power on the non-Muslim member to be included in the Waqf board. But a last-minute approval has been granted to the NDA of the final yes. Apurva, tell me more about this, because you and I were discussing about that Eid event where he made that statement. What happened in the past few hours that the TDP says they will go ahead and approve the bill?
Well, Pooja, in fact, as you rightly remember, on that day during the iftar party, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu had gone ahead and said that yes, we will support our Muslim brothers and sisters, we will support our Waqf properties, is what he had said. And even as the Waqf bill is going to be put at Parliament today for vote, what we are getting to know is that there has been a late night meeting that Mr. Naidu had chaired yesterday, wherein not only had he sought opinions from Muslim communities and organizations regarding this, but also legal experts regarding what will be the possible implications should the Waqf bill amendment be implemented. And that's what was the discussion that went on well into late last night, yesterday. Not only that, in fact, now what the TDP is likely going to do is they're going to demand that the non-Muslim members, those will be the members that will be chosen as per the state's requirement, and that is something that the centre should coordinate with and allow with regards to the change in the bill. That's an important statement that's coming in. Remember, Mr. Naidu there clearly stating that yes, should the TDP MPs be supporting in favor of the Waqf bill, this is also one kind of an amendment that needs to be brought in, a provision that needs to be brought in to ensure that there is no kind of animosity, there's no kind of any clashes that come up in the future. So
but for now, I would say it's a big boost for the NDA because it's an Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister. It's a southern state that has come in direct approval for now, even though there were some deliberations earlier. Apurva, keep tracking the latest on how members of parliament from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, how do they decide